And welcome to Quality Wheels and RV in beautiful Hot Springs, Arkansas. Today we're going to talk to you about this 2019 Winnebago Aspect M30J. It's a Class C. She's a true beauty. She's been well maintained. This Winnebago will get you down the road where you need to go in luxury. She's beautiful paint job. You step into a luxury RV with this used Winnebago Aspect. It's been meticulously maintained. It offers style, comfort, reliability. It's like new condition. This beauty is ready to elevate your travel experiences to new heights. That's right. Where would you like to travel to? This baby will take you wherever you'd like to go. You can be assured with the Winnebago dependability. This has a luxurious interior. Sorry, yes, I told y'all sometimes I cannot talk. It's got a very functional layout. We're gonna see in a minute as we go inside. We have modern amenities. This is a home on wheels. Once again, as we say each day in these videos, these are motorhomes. These are homes on wheels. I don't want you to miss the opportunity to own this beautiful Winnebago Aspect 2019. It's got versatile travel companion. Whether you're embarking on a weekend getaway or extended road trips, whether you want to make RV your lifestyle, you want to live in an RV, this Class C offers you the ability to live in or to travel. It's big enough for travel or everyday living. Let's step inside the Aspect and see what she looks like. Okay, are y'all ready to go in? And let's give this look-see. This Winnebago Aspect a look around. As you can see, we're passing the slides. There's 3 large slides out. Large entrance steps. And as we enter, we can see a beautiful interior. We'll walk towards the cab. We have leather captain's chairs. Our view from the driver's seat looking back. We're going to take a tour from the driver's seat back. As you can see, we have this beautiful leather dinette that folds out into a sleeping area. We have ottomans for storage. We have our beautiful sofa that folds into a bed as well. We have our entertainment system. We have side cabinets that offer more storage. We have our overhead cabinets that offer lots of storage. You can see the storage all the way around the Winnebago. Storage galore, as we like to say here at Quality Wheels, because storage is important in our RVs, our motorhomes. We want all the comforts of home while we travel, and this you're guaranteed to get. We're going to look at the kitchen. All right, let's look at this beautiful kitchen. It's a compact kitchen, but it still offers you so much space. You have this fold-out table here that it offers you, and look at all the drawers that we have in this kitchen. Nice, deep, clean. We have our gas cooktop, microwave, convection. We have more storage. You know how important storage is, once again. Beautiful. On the inside, nice refrigerator, wood grain. Nice and big. Fits lots of food for everyday living or for traveling. All right, now we're going to go towards the master and look at the double wardrobe closets. Nice, large, all the way through. Goes all the way through. Of course, it stops there, but ladies, remember what's hers is hers and what's his is hers, right? No, we have to share, girls. With this Winnebago, you will have no problem sharing it. Plenty of room. You have nightstands on either side. And we have a lovely TV to relax in bed at night after a long day on the lake, a long day exploring your national parks, whatever it is that you choose to do with this aspect. Here's our shower. Let's take a look at it. So we have this nice shower here. Let's look at it. Nice aerodynamics design, space saving, but plenty of room in here. You know me, I like to get in. Oh yeah, plenty of room. Plenty to shower. Very nice, very nice. And let's, all right, and where is the toilet and the sink? We have it behind this beautiful door here. We have a nice mirror, girls. All the storage we have here. Beautiful bathroom with storage here. We have more storage down here. We know how important the storage is. Stainless steel sink. Got your towel rack. Nice wood grain. So now we've taken a tour of the Aspect. We're going to go back up towards the cabin and come down to Quality Wheels today. Pick up this beauty, this Aspect, and start your traveling today. She'll take you anywhere you want to go with comfort, beauty, and it's meticulously kept. As you can see, it's very clean, very spacious, very nice, classy. Come on down, tell them you saw this video on Facebook. Pick up this Winnebago Aspect. And remember, you can do all things through Christ who strengthens you.